One of my favorite ingredients in the kitchen is garlic. And today we're going to learn how to make something really special, and that is black garlic. The process is quite simple. You're going to need some lovely fresh garlic, and you're going to need a slow cooker, at least for the method that I'm going to use. You can use other methods, but this I find to be one of the simplest. I've brushed off any excess dirt, and you can use a dry sponge, a nice clean dry sponge. You don't want to peel these, you want to make sure the skin stays on. Then we just layer them down the bottom of your slow cooker. Try not have them all on top of each other. And there we go. You don't want to put anything else on top. Now all you need to do is close that up, stick it on to keep warm, and that's pretty much it. We're going to leave this now for 60 days, and at that time we should have some beautiful black garlic. All you need to do during that period of time is just check on it, make sure that your slow cooker is still on, make sure that it is on keep warm and not low or high, because that will ruin this, and you shouldn't have any problems. So we'll come back to this in just a little while. It's been just over 2 months now since we started the garlic, and I'm really excited to have a look at it. I haven't opened it up yet, and I really hope it has worked out. And a lot has happened in that time. I have no longer got any hair. I also reached 100,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so very much. There's going to be a video coming out in the near future as soon as this lockdown finishes, and we'll be celebrating that properly. But back to this. Let's have a look at this black garlic, and well, let's hope we've actually made black garlic and see how we did. Wow, that is incredible. That smell is just awesome. When I started this for the first week, the garlic smell was seriously overwhelming, really, really strong, and it's kind of mellowed out over the period of the last 60 days. And at the moment, it's not really terribly strong or sharp, but it's still got a distinct garlic smell. So let's take one out and see if we have some success. This is quite a lot lighter than we started with. I think, yeah, they pretty much all are quite a lot lighter. But let's cut that open. I really hope this has worked. If not, it's back to the drawing board and we're gonna have to try a different process. Well, we have black garlic. That just looks and smells incredible. I'm wondering if some of the other processes maybe keep a bit more of the moisture, but this looks like what I expected actually. It's time to give this a bit of a try. I'm not going to take too much off it. Let's try just that. It's kind of waxy. Well, my fingers are going to smell like garlic all day, aren't they? Let's give this a try. Wow. Wow. That is pretty mind-blowing, actually. That is honestly the first time I've ever tried black garlic. It's like garlic candy. It's amazing. How do I describe it? So there's a bit of a lemony type taste to it. Definitely you can taste that it is garlic. It's really sweet. It honestly just tastes like candied garlic. It's amazing. Honestly, give it a try. Try make it for yourself or try and buy some. It is phenomenal. It's got a really intense umami flavor, which I absolutely love. That is incredible. I'm looking forward to seeing what Mrs. ChilliChump thinks of it. But this is what an ingredient. I have something a little bit special planned with all this black garlic, and that'll be coming up in a video in the next week or two. And the results of that video are going to be put into my online shop. In case you haven't been there, it is chillichump.com/shop. And I have sauces and spices in my recipe book up for sale there. And also make sure you sign up to the newsletter. I put out an alert a little bit before I go live with any new products, so it gives you a better chance of getting some, because sometimes I don't have a lot of stock when I make these things, and just gives you a bit of an alert, so in case you watch the video a bit late, you don't get to know about the sauce. the newsletter will help you out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you're going to try this because it is phenomenal. And until the next video, stay safe and stay spicy.